everybody, and welcome to this video on adding crowdfunding campaigns to your HostGator website. So if you're using their website builder, I'm going to be going over the steps that it takes to do this, and then I'll show you a demo on the steps that I've explained. So what are the steps that it takes to add the crowdfunding campaigns on the HostGator website? Step one, you need to subscribe to an Atlas subscription plan. There's several different plans you can choose from, so choose a plan that's going to suit your needs the best. Step two, you need to create the crowdfunding campaign and then copy the widget code. Once you've done that, you'll need to host the widget on a separate page, and we'll show you how to do this using the Atlas platform. Step four, create a new page on your HostGator website and then paste the link that's referencing that campaign on the platform. You can run as many crowdfunding campaigns as you want. You can modify them to the full extent using the administrator dashboard, the front-end source code, and Thrinacia's in-house developers at an hourly rate. I'm going to be going over the steps that I just explained right now in a demo video, so stay tuned and watch the demo video.